to resolve the HTTP error 503, service unavailable, which indicates that the server is temporarily unable to process requests. You can follow these solutions depending on whether you are a user or a website administrator. Refresh the page. The simplest fix is to refresh the web page. The server might be briefly overloaded, and a quick reload could restore access. Restart your router and PC. Network or DNS issues can cause the error, so restarting both your router and device may help establish a fresh connection. Switch DNS servers. If the problem persists, switching to a public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 might help resolve DNS-related issues. Check website status. Use online tools like Down for Everyone or Just Me to verify if the website is down globally or if the issue is isolated to your connection. Check server load. Overwhelmed servers can lead to 503 errors. Monitor server resource usage and consider upgrading your server capacity or implementing load balancing to distribute traffic more evenly. Restart your server. Sometimes, a simple server restart can help clear temporary issues and refresh the server's functionality. Verify maintenance status. If the server is undergoing scheduled maintenance, it could be causing the error. In that case, communicate with users and inform them about the downtime. By following these troubleshooting steps, both users and administrators can identify and fix the root cause of the HTTP error 503 and restore proper website functionality.